search ngflasher work Telegram and ngflasher underscore bot. Now we can start. Now we pay the belly quen to show you. Now open the link and choose the network. We'll pay using USDT BP20 network. Now copy the address. Now go to Binance and paste the address and choose the network here. You can pay from any other wallet or exchange. If you want, I choose BP20 to avoid any transaction fees. Now confirm the order. No, let's do the verification. I have set the authenticator app to verify the Binance payment. So just check the code and paste it. Okay. So our withdrawal is pausing right now. To wait for a few seconds to confirm the payment. Now go back to Telegram. Wait for a few seconds to confirm the payment. Okay, so payment is now complete. Okay, so thank you for purchasing your daily billings act now active. Okay, now we'll have to send here's your address from Binance. Okay, through network. Okay, copy the deposit address and paste it into the bot. Okay, send it. And now enter the USDT amount. Let's just for right now 450K. Send it. Okay. Success. Okay. Now let's check our Binance. Awesome. Now again, we have received the flash USDT on our Binance. You can transfer it to other Binance exchange.